This iPhone 14 Pro came in to have a rear camera replacement and also a battery replacement. These were the two parts that we had removed from the iPhone. Both parts replaced with genuine Apple parts. And I wanted to show you that now when fitting these genuine parts, that Apple now confirm inside the iPhone that they are indeed genuine. Now in settings since iOS 18, there's now a new area called Parts and Service History. This is just to confirm this was recorded when iOS 18 was first released, and it confirms that the battery that we've had fitted is a used part, and it also confirms the date fitted and also a confirmation that it is a recycled part. That's with the new recycling logo that Apple have added. All the parts that we fit at iCorrect are original Apple and they are sustainably sourced. We work with recyclers who dissemble these parts to make sure that they're not just heading to landfills. It makes for a more sustainable repair, and I believe that everybody's going to be repairing like this in the future. The calibration of the battery shows 100% battery health, as this battery was taken from an iPhone heading to a landfill because it had a logic board fault that was written off by insurance. The camera that's also fitted goes through a calibration in Parts and Service History, and here confirms that it is a genuine part fitted. We believe that this is fantastic for consumers because when choosing to have your repair completed by a third party, you know exactly the quality fitted.